Hey everybody, this is Mark from Keystone Hideout. I wanted to bring to you today the new 2025 261 BHS model. This is going to be one of the most affordable bunk models for the family. It's going to sleep up to 9 people comfortably and possibly 11 depending on sizes. What a great way to get started camping. This unit is 26 feet long. It is weighs in at about 6,000 pounds, so it's going to accommodate a lot of your half-ton tow vehicles. But let's rip into a couple of key features of this 261 BHS. Notice on the outside we have extra large baggage doors. So these are full pass-through storage with extra large baggage doors to allow you to put big ticket items in there. Rubbermaid containers, taller items such as coolers, things like that. If you look inside there, there's going to be a tire pressure monitoring system. We do the prep for it where you can actually link this via your phone, gauge the tire pressure on your camper when you're towing it down the road. Also notice the large grab handle at the door. This is going to allow people that need that extra assistance when they're going inside the camper to grab onto that and have confidence in that. All full power electric awning, all push button with LED lighting. Notice the 2-door entry to this coach. This one is great for the campers that spend a lot of time inside and outside. This will help accommodate so you're not tracking in through the coach and taking all that dirt from the outside to the inside. What a great way to get your family into something affordable that sleeps plenty of people. Let's check out some of the features on the inside. Key features that we want to point out inside the brand new 2025 261 BHS. Number one is affordability. This is something that you can get into for under $250 a month. We're talking something that you can get the whole family into. Some key things that's going to assist you while you're camping in this thing are 15K ACs are standard on all the tandem axle Hideout 261s. You've got in-floor ducting. I like the in-floor ducting because it's more residential. It's going to drop in a residential style heat because heat obviously rises, correct? We also put the debris resistant vents in there. So number one, you're not going to step on it. You're not going to cut your feet on them, but it's also going to help eliminate dropping dirt and mud inside those vents. Another aspect that I like about this is the tall ceiling heights. 81-inch interior heights is going to accommodate the taller campers. This is also going to incorporate a taller slide box, which you're not going to bang your head when you get inside the dinette, but it is all flush floor, meaning there's no step up to the slide. This is a great transition. It offers a lot of additional space, square cubic foot of interior space, and allows you extra comfort, especially on those rainy days. Another cool aspect for 2025 is we actually did a brand new concept, which is a microwave air fryer convection oven all-in-one. We found that when we get used units in, the cleanest thing inside the used units has been the oven. So we try to drop in something new that's going to be useful. I myself use an air fryer a ton at home. That's where this benefit is going to be to you while you're out camping and want to cook food real quick. Glass inserted cabinet doors for that extra aesthetics, all solid wood, pre-drilled and screwed cabinets. So when you're traveling down the road, these cabinets are going to hold up over time. I really enjoyed the build of this unit and for what it has to offer for the price point for your family. So in addition to assist you camping with the new 261 BHS 2025 Hideout version, this model will include a tankless water heater, which is huge for that endless supply of hot water. A large sink basin for your pots and pans. You don't have the 60/40 sinks. This will get the all-in-one to be able to have a good space to clean dishes and do things like that. We also integrated in this thing solar prep. So one of the things that we like to do at Keystone is we like to add solar panels to this. So this thing is wired and ready to go. If you want to go off the grid, add additional solar to your unit. This is a plug and play kind of deal with the solar flex on this. Black tank flush is key for those that have had a camper before and want to clean out their black tanks to get rid of the excrements. You don't have to bring that hose in and put it down in the toilet anymore. The big key here to extend your camping, heated and closed underbellies. All of the slide units that we build are going to have the heated and closed underbellies to extend your camping season into the fall. So thank you. Those are some of the new features of the 261 Hideout 261 BHS. Thank you, and come down and check it out.